Solve the system of equations below. Which of the following is the value of x when you solve the system? Okay, so I have 2x plus 3y equals negative 88, and x minus 4y equals 0. So I have to solve this. I have two options. I can do substitution or elimination. I'm going to do substitution because this equation is pretty easy to solve for x. I can get it alone in just one step. So I have x equals 4y. Then I go to my other equation, and anywhere I see an x, I can replace it with 4y because x equals 4y. So this becomes 2 times 4y plus 3y equals negative 88. So 8y plus 3y, that's 11y equals negative 88. So y equals negative 8. But they did not ask me for the value of y, they asked for the value of x. So I got to come over here. X is 4 times negative 8. So x is negative 32. That's what they want. That's option A.